So this leak detection that we're going to show you here again is a full leak detection that we did on a pool spa combo. When we're ejecting it with air and water, we're able to show you that leaks like to show themselves. Besides listening for them, keep your eyes open. You'll find them all the time that way. Check it out. So this is just the equipment setup. Here's a general overall of the pool. You'll see we have a spa and then a kiddie pool, so there's both there. When we inject air and water, we did our preliminary and we were listening and we were able to hear that sound of the boil while listening. Again, it's loud in certain areas because that air is trying to work its way up. So when we're pumping it up with both air and water induced from our pressure rig, water and air like to come out of different areas. So if you'll notice, you can see where they're coming out of these spots where we have water coming out down below, and then up above between the coping and tile, we're getting a combination of spit, air, and water. Again, air rises, water drops. This is what it sounds like when the air comes out. So water likes to go down, air likes to come up. However, that air will push some water out with it when it actually works its way out of those cracks. This is where you could see some of that water, and this is where you could see the air and water pushing out together. Leaktronics makes this equipment that finds all of these leaks. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.